Hey guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes, and look what I've got for sale today. It's a Yamaha R1. Absolutely stunning, this one. Loads of extras, and we'll go through a few of them in the video. This one's done 12,916 miles. It is gorgeous, like I've said. It is a 2015 on a 15 plate. Standard. They come with the different power modes, traction control systems. I think they come with anti-wheelie on these as well. But this one has just been absolutely laden in carbon fibre. It's all Carbon King logos around there. It's also got the 2019 Moto GP colour scheme on as well. Side protection, we've got the Akrapovic exhaust, tail tidy, double bubble screen, and again, like I say, just bundles and bundles of carbon fibre all over it. Gorgeous looking bike. Rear sets have been changed. Like I say, stunning bike. Diamond rear sets. I think it's a decat as well. It is. We'll listen to that in a sec. Yoshimura, a couple of parts on there as well, including the little oil bay there. So I'm going to give it a quick start up. Just so you guys know, before I start it up and hear the noise, we've actually remapped it, so it is working perfectly. Let's give it a start up. I tell you what, as much as it looks like a Moto GP bike, it sounds like one as well with that Acro on there. Absolutely stunning, guys. All you need to do to get this bought, pop down to Jordanbikes, just give us a call. Cheers. Ooh, beauty.
Hi, I'm Nick, and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.